Good morning everyone. In this hand I'm having ordinary Cavendish bananas coming from South America, Costa Rica or Ecuador or Colombia, some of those countries. They are just ordinary bananas how you get them in the shops all over the place, like in Europe and USA. And in other hand I'm having Canary Island Cavendish bananas. Here in Spain in the shops you always can get these bananas. They are smaller in size, much smaller if you compare, and kind of a bit different. They are grown more locally, let's say, but still they are the same Cavendish bananas, and they are just being grown here closer in Canary Islands. So I will do a taste test and let's see which banana is better, which one tastes better. So you can compare Cavendish banana with Canary Island banana. You can see here it's really a different size. Canary Island bananas, they are like this size or even smaller, so it's a different size. And yeah, these bananas coming from South America are much bigger. So first, let's try the ordinary banana coming from South America. It is really ripe. I just take it. When it's ripe, it opens easily. It's easy to open it and it doesn't make any weird noise. So let's try it. So the taste is pretty good. It's a little bit sweet and quite juicy. Not too juicy, but a bit juicy. And the flavor is quite nice. It doesn't have any specific flavor or something, but it's quite fine. So let's try the other one. So the other, here we have Canary Island banana. Let's open this one. It's ripe, it's opening very well, so it has ripened good enough. Let's try it. So the flavor is not as sweet, almost as sweet, and it feels a little bit drier, but the problem is that it is possible to feel kind of chemical aftertaste. Kinda the smell of paint would be similar to this aftertaste that you get. It's kinda chemical. I'll just try one more time. Yes, it is less sweet, less juicy, and the flavor is kind of weird. It's okay, it's not too bad, but you can feel kind of bittery, soury, like kind of weird taste. So that's what is the result. I give 10 points to Cavendish banana coming from South America, and I give 5 points to Cavendish banana coming from Canary Islands. And if you're in Spain and if you see in the shop, because usually in every shop they have a choice between the ordinary bananas coming from South America and bananas coming from Canary Islands. Even if you think, oh, it's like more local and they look a bit different, I think that the flavor is better for South American bananas. I don't know why. Maybe they spray extra much in Canary Islands. I've been there, I have seen that they spray really a lot, and in South America they spray them a lot as well. So it's a problem everywhere. And I just wanted to say that all these Cavendish bananas that we get in our shops are really low quality, and it is nothing close to the bananas that you could try if you go to countries where they grow bananas and you get some locally grown bananas from some backyard gardens. The bananas can have very interesting flavors, very different. There is thousands of different varieties out there, and just living in northern countries we don't have a chance to experience any different variety and flavor. So if you go to some tropical countries, go to some old people backyard and ask them for their bananas, because you will find that those bananas will be tasting freaking amazing. Peace, go vegan.